The Blue Ribbon Committee, habang yan po ay legitimately under sa grupo, we will support Senator Dante Marcoleta. He is under much pressure. Baka nga kasuhan na daw, baka labasan na ng warrant of arrest. Hindi niya magamit yung session hall or and then yung coordination sa labas, napakahirap po. Witnesses, be strong, be steady in any way you can. Tell your story because you never know if you'll have the opportunity or not. Special session, we continue to discuss but obvious sa amin ang target dito ay kunin ang Blue Ribbon Committee at i-secure yung Senate Presidency. Actually, pinag-usapan namin ng grupo, kunin na nila lahat, Senate Presidency, lahat ng committees. Pero kung sincere sila, iwan sa atin yung Blue Ribbon Committee para ang buong katotohanan. Mag-attend sila. Hindi naman natin gusto ng hearing na isang side lang nandun, pero hindi bibigay. Supreme Court, pray that it will be taken up, pray for all the justices, pray na ma-articulate ng both sides yung kanilang stand. Diba? Tapos Senate, pag-pray nyo po, kasi ang Senate is the last bastion of democracy. No? Yun ang sinasabi na, ibig sabihin po, pag napatahimik na lahat, nandyan yan. Kasi dumating ang time, in martial law, pati media. Ngayon, ang style nila is hindi patahimikin yung media, kung hindi guluhin, di ba? Tingnan nyo yung sabihin lang, wag tawagin 18 Marines. Bakit? Hindi ba sila dati Marines? Hindi ba, pati pag-retired tawagin, so naging bagman. Ang bagman po, yun yung tagakuha mo ng pera, hindi yung tagabuhat ng pera. So yung mga bagman po, yun po ang sinusumbong nung 18. Hindi po sila bagman. Tapos ngayon, na lang, former employees of Zaldico. At yung mga media, sumusunod yung iba. So, ang Malacanang na pala nagdidikta, how to describe a witness. No? Ako hindi ko dinidikta sa media. But ang sinasabi ko lang, that's the kind of environment we have now. That the anti-corruption forces can only rely on truth. But the pro-corruption forces have all the means, even the small means of crafting words so that emotions can be controlled. So I draw inspiration also from my colleagues and allies in the 12. Marami pong pagsubok ang bawat isa, whether it's health issues, whether it's yung kaso, etc. So pag-pray nyo po kami. But yun nga po, let me affirm my faith in our system, in our constitution, in the Supreme Court, and first and foremost, in the